Welcome to this Fixit channel. Quick little update on the Fixit channel. If you want to see my review of Chrome, go to my Windows and Computers channel. There's a review talking about all the different options. Here on the Fixit channel, what I am talking about and what I am stressing out is if you are using Google Chrome, make sure that you update Chrome to the latest version, version 67. And the reason why, very simple, 34 security bugs in Chrome have been fixed, and of them 9 are high severity flaws. That means they're exploited by bad guys already. So if you don't know how to do it, if you're on Linux, Mac, or PC, you simply go onto the 3 little dots on the upper right corner of the Chrome browser. You go into Help. You go into About Google Chrome. You'll be sent to this page. In this page, if you're not at 67, it will auto-update. It will update to 67. Make sure you're there because there's a lot of security fixes and it's worth it just for that if you want to stay safe on the internet. Also better core isolation and some mitigation for Spectre and Meltdown. All of these are, improved security that you need, and that is good to have. So any Google Chrome user, please update your browser to the latest version that was released yesterday, May 29th. Some of you have the update automatically if you have the little add-on activated, but in my case I don't, because I want to do it manually. Then you just go to the browser where I told you on the upper right corner. So lots of security flaws. Update your Google Chrome and you should be at version 67 for both Windows, Mac, and also Linux. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.